The Supreme Court has upheld Section 6A of the Citizenship Act. The provision allows foreigners who entered Assam after 1st of January 1966 and before 25th March 1971 to apply for citizenship. Petitioners had argued that the clause changed Assam's demography, while civil society groups had said that striking down the clause would render a large number of people in Assam stateless. Ashmit Kumar is standing by with the details on the ruling.
Well, a landmark 4:1 decision by a 5-judge bench of the Apex Court upholding the constitutionality of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act. Now, here's a quick background to it. There was a 6-year-long agitation which concluded in 1985 with the Assam Accords, with the deal being struck between the student body of Assam as well as the centre. The result of that was the introduction of Section 6A in the Citizenship Act. What this act sought to do is that it provided a window from the 1st of January 1966 to 24th of March 1971, and within this window, foreigners, specifically Bangladeshis who had moved to Assam, would be allowed citizenship. Now, this was fiercely contested by a whole host of petitioners before the Apex Court. They had argued that this is changing the demographic complexion of the state, that the indigenous population of Assam is being turned into a minority, that they're having to cede political control, they're having to cede employment opportunities, and that this is a huge concern going forward. The Apex Court, however, not in agreement with that. The Supreme Court upholding the constitutionality of Section 6A, talking about harmonious coexistence, talking about not being able to pick one's neighbours, and then going on to say that the Parliament did indeed have the legislative competency to go ahead and to pass such legislation. And importantly, the Supreme Court also remarking that this was a political solution which has been effected through these means and therefore needs to be respected, needs to be upheld by the Apex Court. The only caveat, however, that needs to be borne in mind is that the Apex Court, the majority view that was authored by Justice Kant, very clearly says that illegal immigrants, that foreigners coming in after this deadline of March 24th, 1971, are in fact illegal immigrants and that they need to be acted against, they need to be deported.
All right, thank you, Ashmit, for that update.